Okay. By the way, Louis.
Yes.
I don't know if this stressful game will allow me to tell you a story, but are you ready for a story? Because I saw that you like Nogizaka.
Oh yes. I love the Nogizaka.
Oh, I have a little story that I told already before.
Yes.
Many years ago. Before Nogizaka was created.
Yes.
I auditioned for Nogizaka.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I sent in an audition. And then I got okay. Yeah.
Really?
I got into the next round.
Oh my god.
But they said, please come to like see us. For like mensetsu.
Yes.
And then I didn't go.
Why?
Because I was like, you know what? I'm not that interested after all. Because I like Hello Project.
I see.
But then funny thing happened. So after I auditioned, 1 or 2 years later,
Yes.
I was in a convention, anime convention.
Oh yes.
In Paris.
Oh.
Yeah? Japan Expo.
Yes.
And a guest was the recently debuted new Nogizaka 46.
Oh.
But I didn't care. I was just there for another reason. And then I was like just sitting somewhere, chilling, alone. And suddenly, in front of me, Nogizaka 46 with camera. And they were like coming up to me. And they were like, hi. And I'm like, why are they talking to me?
Oh.
But they were like kind of just like trying to film like a vlog at the event. And then they came up to me and said hi. And I said, oh, I know you. And then, and then
because
they were
met
like,
audition, right?
No, didn't meet, but you know, I was just like, I know your existence. 存在だけは知ってるみたいな. And yeah, I got to meet them in person. And I imagined I could have been maybe part of that idol group now. What do you think, Louis?
It's so surprised.
Yeah. And did you see them in a concert or so before?
Yes. Oh. Like the birthday live.
Oh! Wait,
February.
Who's your Oshi?
Oshi is Kazumi Takayama and Mai Shiraishi.
待ってね、
Kazumi Takayama.
Wow!
Yes, like
She's
very
pretty.
cute, right?
Wow, she's pretty.
Yes.
Is she,
And personality is very kind.
Oh. Is she a member from Ikise?
Yes.
Oh, pretty.
And I also loved Mai Shiraishi.
I know
that's
her.
beautiful.
She's famous, right?
Yes, famous.
Oh, but she graduated?
Yes, already.
Oh, yeah. So you are idol otaku?
Idol otaku.
I didn't know. I only knew because when I came into her place, I saw like a picture of Nogizaka 46, and I was like, what? You like Nogizaka 46? Well, I have a funny story for you later.
Yes, I have sign signature.
Do you go to Akshukai?
Yes.
Shaking hand event, handshaking event.
Yes.
Oh. When you go to handshake event, what do you tell your Oshi?
I love you, like that.
Yeah.
I love you. I support you every time. But how long are the handshake events? Only like a few seconds, right? Yes. Like I think 10 seconds. Yes.
Oh, but it's like it's over.
Yeah, it's so difficult.
So fast.
Okay.
I remember, I would go to idol handshake events from Hello Project too. And there's also not much time. They push you away after like 5 seconds. Yeah. My favorite idol group is Baby School Ball.
Baby School Ball.
You know?
Hello Project, right?
Yes. But now they don't exist anymore. No
yes. My Oshi group is Anju.
Anju-domu?
Yes.
In Hello Project?
Yes. I love it.
Wait. When did you get to know Anju-domu? When they were still Smareji? What? You know them when they were...
Yes, Smareji, I know. I love the Take-chan. Yes.
Takeuchi?
She is very good singing and good dancing, right? And can talk a lot. The funny girl, so I love.
She's funny. She's funny. Did you know original member of Smilage, Fukuda Kanon?
Oh,
She follows me on Twitter.
Oh, really?
Yes. When I saw it, I was so happy. Yeah. ゲームしてる場合じゃない。I didn't